Hey Alex, when is our next workshop? Where is it going to be? Tell us about it.
Yeah, so our next workshop is going to be in Tennessee, Northeast Tennessee more specifically, and it's going to be June 22nd to 26th. Right now I'm down here in Florida working on Joy's Cobb Cottage. We're putting in a floor. We're going to pour a concrete slab, but the workshop in Tennessee, we're starting a new Cobb house. We've done one workshop there so far, and this workshop we're continuing construction of the walls, and it's a fully comprehensive course. Come on inside, Joy. Let's show them what we're doing here. So we're doing a floor here. I'll teach you guys the basics of that in the Tennessee workshop. Of course, I'll tell you about foundations, different ways to build foundations for cob and rammed earth buildings. And we're going to be building cob walls. You get lots of hands-on activity and experience mixing cob and building cob walls. I'm going to teach you how to make cob first by foot and then using a mortar mixer if you want more speed and efficiency in your cob mixing. And then of course I'm going to teach you about lintels, sills, how to install window and door boxes and frames, and how to finish those. We'll get into bond beams. These are great for any kind of earthen wall system, and I'll be talking about roofing and how to integrate roofing with an earthen wall system. And we'll also be talking about natural plasters. Let's show them this little patch we put on here. So we have a basic earth plaster here. We'll do a demo on earth plaster in the Tennessee workshop as well, and I'll teach you about lime plaster and different natural non-toxic renders for earthen wall systems. And yeah, so it's pretty much a comprehensive course. We're going to go over all the details start to finish, how to construct cob and rammed earth buildings. And yeah, so if you want to sign up, I'm going to put a link below this video. Just click that link and it'll take you to the information page with all the information and a link at the bottom to sign up. And I'm going to add some student testimonials at the end of this video. Check those out and hear what my students say. Hope to see you there.
I have loved participating in this workshop and getting a lot of hands-on building experiences, which is exactly what I have needed to start my own project at home. We also have a takeaway cob workshop book, so I can refer to that anytime I have questions. It's been a great experience so far.
I think the way that this learning experience is organized is the way I learn best, because we have the hands-on side and also like a little classroom session, and they go hand in hand perfectly. They just work off of each other. We learn what we're going to do in class and then we actually do it.
I think the curriculum for the workshop was very useful as far as going over everything from site selection to different types of mixes for your cob and all of that, and then into going into the other parts of cob building, the types of walls you can do, and today I guess we're going to go over plumbing and all that. We haven't done that yet, but I'm excited to learn how all that fits in, and I think the workshop does a good job of covering all those pieces as far as the curriculum, so that you get a good overview of all the parts for your building.
I have loved learning from Alex, and we've had a lot of opportunities throughout the workshop to ask him personal questions, and Alex is very knowledgeable, so any question that me or my husband who came to this workshop with me had, Alex was able to answer fully for us.
I think the way Alex teaches is very, I guess, low stress. He's a very calm person to teach, and any question you have, he sort of just will show you the answer, as opposed to like I guess my only connection would be to school, where they would just have you read it in a book to figure it. But yeah, I like the way Alex teaches. It's very easy.
Alex is a great teacher. He's super chill, and he presents the information in a clear way, and he's very accessible for questions. If you have specifics on what you're planning to do, and if you want to know how something works, he's great to answer all your questions.
I mean, my main takeaway is just I've come really not knowing anything about Cobb, and so it's all been very good just to like give myself like, it's almost like a quick jump start to like understand how to build a house. Now I know enough foundational information to go learn the rest and fill the gaps that I need to. So that's extremely helpful.
My takeaways are just how fun Cobb is to work with. And I definitely would get a mixer for doing this myself. And just different, just technical and practical techniques and how to really use this medium in my own space. And so I'm really looking forward to building my own structures out of Cobb.